Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video I will help you how to download Minecraft on your Android phone. So guys, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you need to check you have connected with strong internet connection. Open your Play Store and App Store, and here you can search in search bar Minecraft. This is second game, is the original game. Click on it. So guys, this is a paid game. You can paid this game 190 rupees, and after purchasing you can install it. I hope your problem will be fixed. Hope you like video. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.